Okay, made it to our final destination on the Lexus RCF road trip, the Fairmont, San Francisco.
Ladies and gentlemen, aloha, welcome to the top over here tonight.
Okay, come closer, come closer. It is Luxury Fred, and I have a sensational suite to show you now. I'm in San Francisco, and I'm at the Fairmont San Francisco, and I'm going to give you a tour of the Fairmont Suite, which is considered their presidential suite. So let's do a tour. So this amazing suite is on the top of the tower. There's two parts of the Fairmont. There's a historic original building, and then there's a more modern tower. We're at the top of the tower, and as you can see, that affords us these epic jetliner postcard views of the entire city of San Francisco. And if you look that way, you can even see south through that wall of windows in the bedroom there. So again, this is the Fairmont Suite. This is one of their presidential suites because its location high up in the tower. They're able to protect presidents who have stayed here, including President Clinton, other diplomats. There's also a suite underneath called the Diplomat Suite. And again, there are no higher hotel suites in San Francisco, so it's a very secure location for people like that. The other feature of this is this suite gives you what they call bridge-to-bridge views. So over here, we have, of course, the iconic Golden Gate Bridge over there. And then we have a view of Alcatraz. And then as you pan to the right, then you can see over here we have the Bay Bridge. So we have full 270 or whatever it is, not quite 360 degree views of this incredible city. Again, here at the Fairmont San Francisco in the Fairmont Suite. So something I love when you have a view and when they give you a telescope. So this is actually looking right at Alcatraz, and you can see the people touring the prison. Again, beautiful view of the financial district and the skyline there, the Transamerica building. We're looking across towards Berkeley, and if you come up here, there is another Fairmont called the Claremont in the hills overlooking Berkeley, another beautiful hotel. So moving on, we have a work area here. Love the kind of Art Deco style to the furniture. We have a foyer here, an entry area here, and then just look at this spectacular bedroom. Look at the views from here. So again, we are facing in the bed, looking right at the financial district, and also looking at the bay there, and that's Treasure Island is the island over there. If you look down, you can see Chinatown, where Latrice and I have had some wonderful dinners right down there. Then this side, we're looking south towards the airport, which is kind of on the other side of those hills. But again, we have this amazing look. You can see through here from the bed. You can see all the way to Alcatraz from the bed in that direction. Continuing on with this enormous, truly spa-like bathroom. Again, with these great views. Not sure. So again, with these amazing views, and look at this amazing, I keep saying amazing, but this suite really is amazing on a lot of levels. So excuse me for that. We have this very cool infinity bathtub, which, like an infinity pool, the water kind of goes over the internal side here. And enormous party shower here with a big seat. Very nice dual vanity. And then a very large commode area in here, which is the size of most bathrooms, with a bidet for you Europeans. And then here we have a walk-through closet that connects between the two spaces here. And look, the Fairmont gives you slippers. Every luxury hotel should give you slippers. Big walk-through closet here. Have a little seating area back here in the bedroom. And just a truly, truly spectacular suite. And of course, here at the Fairmont San Francisco, just like at every Fairmont, you get that great Fairmont luxury and service. Great people that work here. Any hotel can spend a lot of money on designers and furniture and things like that, but it's the people that make a hotel special, and especially a hotel like this that has been around for over 100 years. A lot of people have worked here for very long periods of time. So anyhow, that concludes the tour here of the Fairmont Suite here at the Fairmont San Francisco. Thank you very much for watching. You can read more about my stay at businesstravelerusa.com or luxuryfred.com. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.